Very good morning to all. I think many of you know about that the national level project India Development Gateway. I think during the last E-India also we presented the same aspect. I am particularly involved in that national level initiative of DIT India Development Gateway, wherein in the introduction only Mr. Shokumar was mentioning we are concentrating on the multilingual content in 6 major domains including agriculture. Okay. One of the major aspect of our objective of our India Development Gateway is after developing content, you see the outreach activity also. How this content developed is through portal and everything, whether it reaches to the farmers and everything. Past 3 years, we are almost attempted in a lot of South Indian states and many Indians, but we never made any attempt in Northeastern states. Okay, as a bifurcation of that project, again we collaborated with Central Agriculture University to study the impact of agriculture content and how the e-delivery mechanism, something using ICT, how the agriculture services can be delivered to the hill farmers. Okay, that was our major objective. In that context only we started this project almost 1.5 years before. Our partner organization is Central Agriculture University. Many of you, I think, who has traveled in Northeast might be knowing the situation, particularly the states like Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya and all. You know that how the village set up there and how the farmer situation and all. You know the study area where we have taken that Arunachal Pradesh is the lowest density populated in India actually. A typical village will have only more than 30 to 40 houses only. Okay, and for total whole district we can see maximum 50 to 60,000 population only. Okay, and you see the situation of the agriculture extension services, how the difficulty of reaching these villages like that. So another 3-4 minutes I wanted to share our experiences, what we gained so far in this particular project, and how we are planning in the future also. In the particular these points I wanted to insist once again is there is a very clear report is there that there is unorganized cultivation of crops in Northeast, particularly all the 7 states. If you see, each state has different diversity and cropping pattern, and most of the things are hilly regions, terrain regions, and crop pattern will be differing in individual states. We can see a lot of difference between the districts also, and there is a low agriculture productivity is mostly visible, and production instability is there, limited or nil extension services in most of these areas, and poor accessibility to the market. These are the major limitations what we can see there in the northeastern area. The study area where we have piloted this particular project is in East Siang district of Arunachal Pradesh. It's almost in the lower part of the Arunachal area, where a typical tribal community dominated there. It's called Adi community, where they speak the dialect is Adi. They speak there. The total population of the whole district is 87,397. Okay, 100% agriculture based area. One representative village, as I was mentioning earlier, will be a maximum of 50 to 60 houses only. There is a permanent cultivation of rice, coffee mandarin, one of the sweetest orange in India. You can say that mandarin orange there, and of course the bamboo. Yeah, and very predominantly we can see the shifting cultivation, that ginger and maize, where the hill area they to the next 6 months or something. Only the cultivation in the field they will go for only first season only. That means maximum of 5 to 6 months only. Remaining area they will go for hunting or otherwise go for a zoom cultivation. This is the agriculture scenario there. What we piloted is we selected 10 model villages in one district, okay, covering in total of 132 villages. Our main approach was developing an integrated sustainable model for ICT based agriculture service delivery mechanism to show as a model for the whole northeastern states. Okay, we study the impact of the India Development Gateway content in the selected village in providing information services on agriculture, health and education. As you know, the India Development Gateway is working in 6 domains. We thought of taking these content and the pilot there also, particularly the Hindi content. Okay. A typical e-village center set up in these villages consists of a PC with wireless internet connectivity. We don't have any telephone connectivity, is very much problem there. And because of the rain or everything, regularly we will be getting problem there. So we have taken the BSNL e-video connections there. That is the only choice available there. That also is not assured always. Sometimes it will be connectivity will be there, sometimes problems will be there. So we also provided, apart from that basic computer facility, we are giving the DTH services and television also. This is also one of the important aspects why we consider is many people are not aware of the outside activities. That means there is no reach of newspaper is very rare there, and also television also a very negligible amount you can see in these tribal villages. So DTH is one of the options where at least people will get empowered with the outside world knowledge also. And very important aspect of this model is we recruited the local persons who are at least the highest education level, either at least we could able to find some lot of degree holders there. All the people who are facilitating in these 10 centers are from the Adi community only. Okay. This is a typical e-village team consisting the research fellow who is the intermediary between the agriculture university and the field staff, and the e-village coordinator and also the scientist. The e-village coordinator will be the main interface between the villagers on the daily basis, farmers and all. And through the research fellows on a rotational basis, these people will continue. Video these things, all the centers, what we have done is that we are not no enter and so probably all Arunachal community adaptation of the village, everything government area is different. Whatever they make it different. Most of all the development companies the local needs of the only needs of the other is not saying they are not the best. They will do a lot of surveys of those. So some of the challenges I wanted to share with you was these medical problems that are it is not that it is very inadequate content delivered to very market. The problem is our head problem is that the typical local content is not available. If you are setting up a village, if you are information center, the farmers on the other village have a nearest village is long. Between two villages sometimes you see 6 to 8 kilometers. It means so much activated village network. This is connectivity area. I am not telling about our area, it is road connectivity area. Sometimes when this field is 1 week or 2 weeks to a particular regular water river will be there, the road will be cut off because of course, irregular supply of power. The major reasons is the create VLR and the competition and low adoption, traffic competition. And information, not only delivering information to our existing, up to this field demonstration and up to the last mile, going to the field along with the delivering some particular technology, going up to the field where the farmers are adopting not adopting and getting the things is all very important. Otherwise, any ICT intervention in agriculture delivery will be a failure. So we have to take from the end-to-end level. We also saw one of the important things. People are ready to take services like computer training, photography, and revenue department-based applications. We are to create some awareness. Collaborating with the existing R&D institutes like IPR Institute, the other departments, very important to deliver a wholesome delivery of